Today is a historic day as we open this new campus, this new nursing campus in the Tampa Bay market. It's an exciting day for AdventHealth, for AdventHealth University, to give the opportunity to students in the Tampa Bay market to pursue their dreams to become nurses. Our goal here in AdventHealth University Tampa is not just to graduate more nurses. We want to graduate the best nurses. I am confident the students who walk through these doors will be prepared to not only be exceptional caregivers, but to also transform the healthcare industry by delivering whole person care to every person they touch, one patient at a time.
This is our open house for AHU Tampa, so we're really excited. So we plan on opening up AHU Tampa in January of 2025.
AHU here in Tampa is pleased to welcome its program here along with other Tampa schools to really educate and drive that next force of nurses out into this area. So AHU has an amazing opportunity. We are partnered with the organization of AdventHealth for clinical sites, for opportunities for nursing students to really get that hands-on experience. And what really sets us apart is our faith-based education system that we have here.
I am so excited to provide students in the Tampa Bay the opportunity to become nurses, to meet the needs of the healthcare system, to make sure that we are graduating competent nurses, compassionate nurses, nurses who are able to extend the healing ministry of Christ and practice whole person care.